Alright, so let's go through question 5. So we are given the y equal to negative 5x plus 8, which is tangent to the curve of this thing, right? At the point A where x is equal to 2. So we are asked to find the equation of the normal. Okay, so first thing, when I draw the tangent right here, so this tangent has an equation of y equal to negative 5x plus 8. If I want to determine what is the gradient of this thing, right, of the normal, means that the gradient is equal to 1 over 5. Because remember your coordinate geometry, so if I say, oh, my gradient of the tangent is negative 5 over 1, the gradient of the normal, right, you simply just flip change sign. Okay, so after I determine my gradient of normal, so it's equal to y equal to 1 over 5x plus c. So what I need to do now, right, is actually to find the c for them. How do I find the c? Very simple. That's where I need to use this. And I need to know what is this particular point. Okay, I already know the x coordinate. The x coordinate is 2. Okay, what about the y coordinate? That's where I need to sub inside here. So you sub 2 inside the tangent right here, right? So what you get is y equal to negative 10 plus 8. So this will give you negative 2. Meaning that at this particular point is negative 2. So to determine what is your c, right, you simply just sub inside. So it means that this thing you sub negative 2, this thing you sub positive 2. So this is negative 2 equal to 2 over 5 plus c. So your c is equal to negative 225. Meaning that the equation of the normal right here, right, will be y equal to 1 over 5 x minus 225. Done. So that is the equation of the normal. Hopefully it's correct. Okay, for part B, find the value of A and B. So if you look at this, right, I want to determine what is the value of A and B. Okay, so the very first thing I write down first, y equal to a x square, right, plus b over x. So it's a square saying b x minus 1. So since I know the tangent has a gradient of negative 5 at x equal to 2, so I need to differentiate dy dx. So this will give you 2ax minus b x minus 2. So it's a square saying 2ax minus b over x squared. So that's my dy dx. Okay, so of course I'm interested at this x equal to 2 point. So I sub x equal to 2 inside here. So this is equal to 2a bracket 2 minus b over 2 squared. So this will give you 4a minus b over 4. Okay, so of course the first equation come out already. Okay, so sorry, I forget to put in one more thing, because the gradient of this tangent, right, is negative 5. So it means that the dy dx is negative 5. So let me just put, so this is negative 5. So the first equation come out already. So meaning 4a minus 1/4 b. So this will give you negative 5. Okay, how do I actually form the second equation? For the second equation, actually quite simple. You simply just need to sub inside. So for example, I know that at this particular point, so maybe I draw here again. So this is the curve, for example. So we know that this point, right, is 2. So just now apparently I found one thing, right, is that our y coordinate of this particular point, right, is negative 2. Meaning that this is negative 2. Okay, so with this information, right, I can actually sub inside the equation of the curve. Meaning that y is equal to ax squared plus b over x. So I sub in the negative 2 on the left hand side, positive 2 on the right hand side. So means a 2 squared plus b over 2. So I write the second equation right here. First equation, right? Second equation will be negative 2 equal to 4a plus half b. Second equation come out. So with this, right, I want to solve the simultaneous equation. So I simply just use equation 1. Maybe I just write the equation 2 in this way first. Easier to see. Half b negative 2. Okay. So for the second equation is here. So I simply just use first equation, sorry, I use second equation minus away first equation. So of course, half b, right, minus negative 1/4 b. So this will give you 3/4 b. So minus 2 minus negative 5, positive 3. Right? Okay, so my b will be equal to 4, 12. So b is equal to 4. Okay, with this, right, obviously I can find a, quite simple. So a, I simply start in any equation I like. So I start in equation 2. So b equal to, okay, 4a, right, plus half b. So plus half b, right, okay, half b, b is 4 half b is 2, negative 2. So 4a, negative 4. A is equal to negative 2. Done. So a is negative 2, b is positive 4. Right? Okay, hopefully I calculate correctly. Wait, double check. 4, 2, yeah, correct. So a is negative 2, correct. Okay, so for part C, the tangent and the normal meets at the y-axis at point B and C respectively. So find the area of the triangle ABC. Okay, first thing, draw the line. Draw the y and x axis. Okay, so for the tangent, okay, equation of tangent are very simple. So tangent just now I draw, right, y equal to negative 5x, right here, negative 5x plus 8. So okay, so I want to know, what is the y-axis? The y-intercept. The y-intercept obviously is 8. Okay, so this is the y-intercept of your tangent, and next will be the normal. Okay, normal will also meet the y-axis. So okay, the equation of normal do I have? Okay, I have, right. So the equation of normal is here. So just by looking at this, this will be the y-intercept of your normal, minus 2, 2, 5. So I draw here. So this is minus 2, 2, 5. So they say, okay, let's just say this is point B. Let's just say this is point C. And of course, my point A, I believe, is the intersection right here. Okay, so point A is where? Okay, so means that point A is this point. So meaning that is the intersection. So this is point A. Okay, so how do I actually find the area of this ABC? So I want to find the area of ABC, right? Okay, first thing, I already know this thing already. So this length is about 10 to 5. Okay, the next part I want to find is actually the height. So from the so-called origin, x origin, right, to the point A. So x origin is, let's see what we have. Okay, so we know that, this point A is 2, negative 2. Let me write now. 2, negative 2. So quite obvious, right? You can see that, actually, this thing, right, is positive 2. So I simply just use half times base times height. So this will give you 10.4 units square. So that is how we do the question 5 part C.